What is up, kind folks? I hope you all are doing fantastically well and enjoying the Christmas lights. Yes, this video is being filmed in July, but Christmas in July, it's a thing, right? Anyways, I recently hosted a carrier community event and it went freaking fantastic and it was a lot of fun. But one of the topics that we had talked about that evening was how to use LinkedIn appropriately. And there is a million and one ways that you can use LinkedIn appropriately, but I'm just gonna talk about three today. Just three simple ways that you can use LinkedIn more appropriately, and that will increase your sales and increase your impact with those that you're talking with, and really hopefully make and give you some momentum in your LinkedIn profile with actually getting customers or new customers and potential customers and all of that. And so there's again three tips that we're going to be talking about today. And the first one is this: relationships over opportunity every freaking. Did you just see that? Strange. Anyways, relationships over opportunity every. Okay, maybe I won't swear in this video. Relationships over opportunity every freaking time. Seriously, every freaking time, relationships over opportunity. If you're going for an opportunity, forget it, stop it. Don't send that message, don't send that comment, don't do it. Just don't do it. Relationships over opportunity every single time. Remember that. The second thing is this: never start with an ask. Never, ever, 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 ever start with an ask, because what you're doing is you're taking withdrawal from an empty bank account. If you do that, you get a charge. Bank of America, SunTrust, Truist Bank, the new one with BB&T and SunTrust. If you take or try to take money out without actually having money in your account, you get a charge. You get a negative withdrawal. It leaves a bad taste in your mouth, their mouth, everyone's mouth. Don't do it. Never, ever, ever start off with an ask. Never, ever do that. And the third thing is this: be you. Just be you. If you're not lively and bubbly and really excitable, don't film videos and post them on LinkedIn. If you're, super chill, or you're really good with numbers, or you're really good with relationships, but you're more relaxed, do that. Whatever it is, interact with people in a style that fits you and your personality. So the three things are this: relationships over opportunity every freaking time. Second thing is never start with an ask. And the third thing is be you. Be who you are uniquely designed to be. Don't try to be bubbly if you're not bubbly. Send an article, send cool little facts and trivia if that's you, because you really pay attention to what's going on around you and in the marketplace. But do those three things: relationship over opportunity every freaking time, never start with an ask, and third, be you. I hope you found this video fantastic. If you did, please, please, please subscribe. I would love to drop some more of these truth bombs and wisdom that I'm learning from you and other people into your inbox and into your YouTube's channel. But anyways, again, if you like this content, please subscribe, do all that. But anyways, other than that, deuces. Talk to you next time. Holla. Bye.